Gorilla Glue Harvest.
Saying that there's 2 people in here and that the dude has the guy hostage.
Came out, gosh, letting it dry. Trey drying it. Box. She came out looking good. These dry cans. It's my harvest.
We gotta get out.
That shit is crazy.
Holy shit!
Flip them every once in a while, flip it around, open the box, put your holes
Fortunately,
in
the
your box.
extraction goes smoothly and Officer Brady is pulled to
Oh, this shit
safety.
is.
Though the real danger is still far from over. By now,
This
multiple
shit
officers
good.
have surrounded the house from both the east and the west sides, with additional 30 units arriving from
Another
the east end.
box.
But things are still dangerously unpredictable, because in the middle of all of this chaos, CCTV captures a car pulling slowly into the parking lot near the house, seemingly oblivious to the active gunfire unfolding just a few feet away.
That's the harvest. I got like a half pound off of that one tree.
Who is that?
This box is the harvest on the dry. Looking good.
Get the fuck out of here. Leave. I don't give a fuck. Move.